This video will show how to take CSV data from FileBound and make it ready for Rent Manager. The first thing that we do is we check our shortcut to saved data folder and make sure that it is empty. If it is not empty, we can either delete the file that's in there, or we can run our pre-export cleanup batch file. This will allow any documents that are in the saved to shortcut data folder to be emptied. Once we have an empty folder, we open up Integration Platform. We can see that we have the Rent Manager export tool available. So what happens here is we simply click Run Now. When we click Run Now, the system will take anything that is in the Send to Rent Manager step and compile all the information, the transactional and the line item data, and push it into the Massage GP Data CSV folder. That file will be then ready to import into Rent Manager. So all we do is click Run Now. When we do, we'll find that in the shortcut to saved data folder, we open up our saved data file folder. We see our massaged GP data.csv file. That file can be then pushed into the path that Rent Manager then accepts into its system. So if, for instance, this folder was the Rent Manager import folder, if that folder was the place, the landing spot in which Rent Manager ingests the CSV folder, then that's where we would put it. We simply take the massage GP data.csv and we either we want to go ahead and move this file, and we want to move it to our Rent Manager import file. We do need to make sure that that is the path that Rent Manager is picking up. And when we do move it, it takes it out of our saved data folder here and places it into our Rent Manager import folder. Okay. This should make if you do it by this process, this should make the pre-export cleanup bat routine a non-issue. The reason that we want to start off with a clean saved data folder here is that we don't want the CSV data to append, because then it will either create duplicates in Rent Manager, or your Rent Manager import will just take longer. Either way, we do want to make sure that this folder is clean before we run Integration Platform and import into Rent Manager. Please call me with questions, 269-598-2391. Thank you very much.